Do you ever feel shy or robotic when you speak English?
Don't worry. Today we'll show you how to sound natural, confident, and fluent in real conversations.
You don't need big grammar books, just real talk and practice.
Stay till the end because we'll share simple secrets that will change the way you speak English. Hey Sarah, do you remember how you used to speak English when you first started learning?
Oh, yes, I was so nervous and my sentences sounded too formal.
Haha, same here. I used to think every sentence had to be perfect.
Exactly, but native speakers don't always speak perfectly, right?
True, they speak naturally, with rhythm and confidence.
So, what do you think helps most in sounding natural?
I'd say using contractions, like saying I'm instead of I am.
Yes, or don't instead of do not. It sounds smoother.
Right. And also using common phrases like you know or I guess.
Oh, that's a good one. It makes speech sound more real.
Another tip, don't translate from your native language.
Exactly. Think in English as much as possible.
I remember when I stopped translating, my confidence grew.
Me too. It's like your brain starts to feel the language.
Do you practice speaking daily?
Yes, I talk to myself or record my voice to check pronunciation.
That's a smart idea. I do mirror practice sometimes.
Mirror practice really helps with body language and tone.
True, because communication is not just words, it's expressions too.
Absolutely. Smile when you speak. It makes you sound friendly.
So many learners worry about their accent. What do you think?
Honestly, accent doesn't matter as long as people understand you.
Exactly. Clarity is more important than sounding perfect.
And confidence makes any accent sound beautiful.
What's one phrase you love using that sounds natural?
I say, that's cool a lot. It sounds casual and positive.
I say, no worries, all the time.
See, that's natural English, simple and friendly.
Learners often speak too slowly or too fast.
Yes, the key is to speak clearly, not quickly.
Exactly. It's better to pause naturally than to rush.
Pauses make you sound confident and calm.
Also, intonation is so important.
Totally. The way your voice goes up and down adds emotion.
For example, really sounds curious, but really sounds serious.
Nice example. Tone changes everything.
Do you think listening helps with speaking naturally?
Oh, yes. Listening to native speakers teaches rhythm and flow.
I agree. I used to watch English shows with subtitles.
Same here. It helps you pick up real-life expressions.
Sometimes I repeat lines from movies. It trains my mouth.
Haha, me too. It's actually fun shadow practice.
Right, just copy the pronunciation and tone.
And soon it becomes natural.
You know what else helps? Speaking with friends in English.
Definitely. It makes English part of your real life.
Yes, because practice with people builds confidence.
And mistakes are okay. They help you improve.
Exactly. I always tell learners, don't fear mistakes, fear silence.
Whoa, that's powerful. I love that.
Thanks. I mean, speaking is the best teacher.
Absolutely. The more you speak, the more natural you become.
Do you think slang or idioms help sound natural?
A little, yes, but only when used correctly.
Right. It's okay to say hang out instead of spend time.
Exactly. Those small changes make you sound fluent.
So to sum up, practice daily, use contractions, listen more, and smile.
Perfect summary, Alex. That's how to speak English naturally.
Thanks, Alex. This was such a fun chat.
It was. And to everyone listening, keep speaking, keep growing.